Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device in Windows? And please watch this video. Now, this is not an error, I will rather call it a prompt. Why? Because if a user account control is activated on your system, then when you're trying to open any application, it will prompt for administrator rights, even if you're the administrator. So, since I'm the administrator and I'm the only person using my computer, I can do away with it, and I'll tell you how to do away with this irritating prompt. Search for UAC or user account control in the Windows search bar and open this. Push it down to the absolute bottom. I have also done this. It will usually be on the third option by default. Push it down to the absolute bottom. It says not recommended. Ignore this warning, whatever. Just push it down to the absolute bottom and then click on OK. Now it doesn't matter whatever application you open, like the command prompt. Simply click on Run as Administrator and there will be no admin prompt. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.